Hello YouTube and good morning. This is Incarnate Rider signing in from Steel City, Bellary, and only this time it's not Bangalore, and this is Viper. So if you have watched my previous video, you would be knowing that I came to Bellary to meet my parents and I rode this Viper all the way from Bangalore. So that was around 2 days back, and finally it's time for me to return back to Bangalore. But this time the road which I'll be taking to Bangalore is different. I'll be going through Anantpur just because I have a function there to attend. So the twist is that I won't be riding to Bangalore today. So today I'll ride to Anantpur, that is some 100 kilometers far from Bellary, and then I'll stay there overnight, and then from there I'll be going to Bangalore tomorrow after the function. So since it's just 100 kilometers, and also the thing is that my parents are joining me till Anantpur, so my luggage is with them. So nothing is mounted on my bike, and it's just 100 kilometers. So let's ride. By the way, as you can see, I am running low on the fuel. So as soon as I pass the Bellary city, I'll stop in somewhere in a good petrol bunk, and I'll fill up my tank. So by the way, I stopped at some HP petrol bunk on the way to refuel, and they told they don't have a server connection, so I couldn't swipe my card, so I've just refueled for 300 rupees. So I guess it's good enough for me to reach till Anantpur. Then I'll top it up tomorrow while going to Bangalore. As you can see, my left side is completely filled with farm and my right side is completely filled with farm, and it has windmills all over it. The view is superb. Now I don't know if my camera is giving justice to the view, but trust me, the view is fantabulous. Just look at those humongous creatures, man. So it's 11:40 in the afternoon, and I've already reached Anantpur, and it's very, very, very hot here. So what I'll do is go to my relative's house, and then tomorrow, once I start to Bangalore, I'll get back to you. So till then, take care. Hello everyone and good evening. As you can see, the time right now is 5:45 in the evening, and I have finally left from Anantpur. So it's another 210 kilometers to go. So the plan is that I want to reach Bangalore as soon as possible, because I'm not feeling kind of good today. So I thought I'll ride it in one stretch. I do not want to take any breaks. So I'll ride 210 kilometers and reach Bangalore and take rest. And if you keep it tight, I'm gonna confide in you. I know it's on your mind, there will be time for that too. If you By the way, I'll give you a quick update of the things right now. So it's 7 o'clock in the evening, and so far I have done around let's say 60 to 65 kilometers out of Anantpur. So I passed Penukonda right just now, and the thing is, my body has started to give up. It's like I'm feeling too much sleepy. I don't know what the reason is. Probably because I'm not feeling well, and also I took a tablet before starting my journey for the fever. I have a high fever, so I think the tablet power has kicked in. So I'm feeling too much sleepy. I don't know what to do. I do not want to stop, but still, taking the safety point in view, I guess I have to stop somewhere here and have a tea or something and wash my face. And there is no problem with the bike. It's performing really well, and it's just that my eyes are closing. So I'll find a good tea shop and I'll stop there.
Slow motion, now we're going strong.
By the way, for those of you who are wondering what speed I maintain on highways while doing my long rides, here is the thing. So normally I maintain my speed around 85 to 90. That is, I try to keep my RPM meter between 5.5 to 6.5 thousand. So there are two reasons for this. First one, obviously, safety. Anything more than 85 to 90, you might probably not be able to control your bike if anything goes wrong. So, and the second point is that I believe my bike gives the best mileage when you are riding at constant 85 to 90. I would be getting a mileage of around 40 to 41 at a constant speed of 85 to 90. So in case if you ever feel bored, or if you ever feel sleepy during your solo long rides, I would suggest you to listen to some loud music. Now what I listen is, I am addicted to trance music. So I listen to Tiesto's EDM trance. So it depends on your interest, but a hard rock or something which is very strong would make you not sleepy. In case you are not able to listen to any music, to sing yourself. Try to keep on singing some song to yourself. That way you can avoid sleeping. So I'll give you a quick update. So right now it's 7:30 in the evening, and so far I have covered around 100 kilometers out of Anantpur. The thing is, as you can see, I am running low on fuel, only 2 bars remaining. So I do not want to take risks. It has started to rain. It's raining cats and dogs now. I have to find a shelter. I don't know where in this highway, but still I need to find it as soon as possible. Petrol bunk, where are you hiding now? So by the way, finally I managed to find a HP petrol bunk. That too, the petrol bunk was on the other way, so I had to take a U-turn and travel some 2 to 3 kilometers. Anyways, that's okay. Finally I'm happy that I got some petrol. So another 70 kilometers to go, and it's 8:15 in the evening. So probably I might reach by 9:30. Let's hope so. Anyways, let's ride. Today is not a good day for me. First of all, the fever, and then the rain, now the petrol. Oh God, why me? So finally I'm at my apartment. It's 10:20 and it was one heck of a ride. I'll end the vlog here. I'm very sorry if I have bored you anywhere. I have tried to entertain you as much as possible. So if you have liked the video, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go to YouTube and subscribe to Incarnate Rider. So thank you guys for watching this video. As always, ride hard, ride safe. This is Incarnate Rider signing off. Bye bye.